Well, guys, another beautiful day out here on the lake. I'm just taking a kayak. I'm gonna come out, way out, hopefully into the middle of the lake, and enjoy my views today and have a little bit of fun. But have a look around. Have a look at that. Gotta love being in a kayak. I just want to say I'm in the most peaceful place I can be right now. Here on a lake. I mean, enjoying every bit of it. Sitting on a boat. Wow. Hello guys. I got up for sunrise this morning. Take a few shots. Came out to this cool spot right here. What a beautiful spot. And sunrise, yeah. Flew the drone, had a good time. I've spent a week up here, up on this lake, beautiful lake. Done some paragliding, out on a boat, did some kayaking. It was incredible for where I am up here in the French Alps. But you feel that sunshine? Beautiful. Anyways guys, it's gonna get up to like 35 degrees, so I have to hike all the way back. It's always cool when you see a flat surface lake like this and you just see one spot and all the rings. World record with the largest skipping rock. Wow! Have a look at the vein of quartz inside of this rock. And it's so fragile, you can just pick it up. Pretty cool. Well, I decided to stop at the top of this mountain here, have a bite to eat, and I mean, come on, you got incredible views all the way around, and it's one wicked ride. Check this out, guys. I made it to the summit here, up on the Route de Alps. It's 2,800. Breathtaking to come up here. Feel the wind, okay? It's colder up here, but wow, what a view. The drive was epic all the way up. It's about 4 hours from Nice, but man, some of the most epic drives you could ever imagine. A lot of people camping down at the bottom of this part right here, but oh, it is beautiful up here. Top of the world up here, guys. It is unbelievable. Have a 360 view right here. I'm standing on the edge of the cliff here, right at the top of here. Eventually, I'm gonna be driving up over to that point over there. Hey guys, I made it to the top of the bonnet. Oh, what the fuck? 2,802 meters. It's a huge drive up here. You get all these people up here. They all get excited. I mean, look at these people. They're all excited because they did it on a bicycle. I could never do that. That's incredible. Like, well done guys for being on a bike, but for me, no way. I'll take one of these bikes over that. Crazy.